Alanke.com.
Good.
We could be real firefighters, and the grassroots and the Somalians, they will depend on us. There have been a lot of more fire incidents that we ourselves couldn't control.
Yeah, good. Apply pressure. Okay, go. Apply pressure. Yeah, good. Their morale is too high because they have got a chance they never expected, and they have been having a problem of fires in town. And by the time we come, their property, everything is gone. So they are looking forward to see that they can grasp whatever they grasp so that they can fight that fire.
We're very proud to have these young people that start to be a firefighters department for the region of Banadr. It's a great day for us, it's a great day for all of us. And thank you very much for the well done job.
Alanke.com.